we need to do a blues. This guitar doesn't have the right neck on it for this, but we're going to do it anyway. See, I only have 12 frets on this guitar, but I need 14. So we're going to see if we can get away with it. But you got to use the capo, baby. It's got to be. Hope ain't nothing wrong with my little machine now. Oh, my starter won't start now. I hope ain't nothing wrong with my little machine, baby. Oh, but that man at the station said there's nothing wrong, boy. Oh, you just been burning bad gasoline. Oh, my starter won't start now. Oh, now she just won't turn now. Oh, my starter won't start now. Oh, now she just won't turn, baby. Yeah, but my baby said, boy, what you crying for now? Oh, you know you got your money to burn. Oh, mama, oh, mama. I was tired of my beat-up old Ford truck. Yeah, but now my Cadillac's broken down, baby. I said, oh, and I can't have none of your loving now. Oh, mama. Machine, baby, baby. I said that my starter won't start now. I hope ain't nothing wrong with that little machine. machine. Oh, mama. Ah, but you know that man at the station said there's nothing wrong, boy. I swear you just been burning bad gasoline. I see that man at the station said there's nothing wrong, boy. He said, oh, you just been burning bad gasoline.